3 years ago, I have been here in this hospital. I made an operation, knee replacement. Based on that one, I recommend too many people to come to this hospital. And I myself, I brought my wife for the same pain. And the doctors are very nice, excellent. We all of my expectations, and the nurses, and all the teams generally, you can say. And I still recommend to our friends, to family, to everybody, this is hospital. Because this is what we call the family hospital. And we have seen a lot of improvement, and the people are very nice, and everyone wants to help the people, especially the patients, And hopefully that more people will come to Ethiopia and they have the same kind of treatment like I do. And I hope you continue like this without having any break, okay? And whatever we say, this one is the real one, which is, it's not to emphasize the hospital, but whatever I feel I have to say.